Welcome to my channel, everyone. This is my brand new channel, and I'm truly excited to have you here. If you're interested in AI and online earning, you're in the right place. Recently, I was exploring YouTube and searching for AI video content. During my research, I discovered a very interesting channel. That channel has already crossed 1.69 million subscribers. What amazed me the most is their content strategy. They only create AI-generated videos and short clips, and the results are absolutely mind-blowing. Every single short gets thousands of views consistently. Many of their videos even reach millions of views. Some videos go beyond 10 million, even 18 million views. Even their lowest performing videos still cross 100K views easily. If a channel like this is monetized, it can generate thousands of dollars every month. So today, I'm here to show you how you can achieve the same results, completely free. Now let's move straight to the main process. No unnecessary delays. I've provided a highly optimized prompt in the description for your convenience. Simply copy the prompt exactly as it is, without making any changes. Then open the ChatGPT platform on your mobile or desktop device. Paste the prompt and let the AI do all the heavy work for you. Within seconds, it will generate structured, high-quality cinematic scenes. These scenes are designed to be ready for video creation without extra effort. By default, it creates 10 professionally written scenes for your project. If you want more, just type "generate 20 scenes" and it will expand instantly. You can even adjust the story, characters, or niche according to your needs. This gives you full control while saving a huge amount of time. There is no need for voiceovers, background music, or complex editing skills. Everything can be created using simple steps and completely free tools. This method is perfect for beginners as well as content creators. So follow these steps carefully and start creating your own AI-powered videos today. Now let's come to Flow AI and understand which tool I used. The main reason I chose this tool is because of its powerful and user-friendly system. All you need to do is log in using your Gmail account. No complicated steps at all. Once you log in, you instantly unlock Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro features. And the best part is, both options are completely free to use. Yes, absolutely free with no hidden charges or subscriptions. You can generate 10 images, 50 images, or even hundreds without any limitation. This makes it perfect for beginners as well as advanced content creators. Now here comes the real magic of this tool. Just copy your prompt from the ChatGPT platform. Then paste it into Flow AI and let the system do everything automatically. Within minutes, all your images will be generated in front of you. And when you see the results, you'll honestly be surprised. The image quality is extremely sharp, detailed, and professional. It feels like premium content, but you're getting it completely free. You don't need any editing skills, voiceovers, or background music. Everything is handled by AI in a simple and efficient way. This is a hidden opportunity that many people still don't know about. That's exactly why I created this channel, to guide you step by step. So follow along carefully, because this can truly change your content game. Alright guys, now let's move on to a powerful free AI video tool. I'll drop the website link in the description. Make sure you check it out. This platform comes with some seriously powerful features for project management, marketing, and most importantly, not AI video creation. But right now, our full focus is creating high-quality AI videos. And listen carefully, because this is the most important part. You can create unlimited high-quality videos. Yes, unlimited. The results are absolutely insane. Super realistic lighting, smooth motion, and cinematic scenes that look like high-end productions. Perfect for viral content. And don't worry, it's completely free. I know some of you are thinking, what's the catch? There is no catch, just follow the steps properly, and you'll see the results yourself. Now here's what you need to do. Scroll down on the website. Don't rush to sign in. First, find the free trial option. Then sign in using any email, and you'll instantly get access. After that, you'll see an option like Animate an image. Click on it. Now this is where things get interesting. Make sure you upload your images step by step, exactly according to the prompts you generated. This part is very important, because your final video quality depends on how well you follow the sequence. I uploaded my first scene, added the prompt, clicked generate, and boom! In less than a minute, the result was insane. The lighting, the environment, the motion, everything looked cinematic. No cheap animation feel. Everything was smooth, immersive, and high quality. Then I downloaded the clip and moved to the next scene. Same process again. Image, prompt, generate. And once again, incredible results. This looks like professional storytelling content. And the best part? You can do this again and again. No limits, no credits, no restrictions, just keep generating. Scene after scene, until your full video is complete. Now here's something even better. You don't need any external editing software. Yes, everything can be done inside this tool. Upload your clips, arrange them in order, adjust them, and combine everything into one final video. Then export it. That's it. No complicated editing. No heavy workflow, because the AI already did most of the work for you. And when you export your final video, the quality is next level, perfect for short-form content across all platforms. And right now, storytelling content has massive viral potential. People love transformation, growth, and cinematic journeys. So don't waste money on expensive tools in the beginning. First, master the free tools. Build your skills. Then scale. That's the smartest move. Now go ahead, follow the steps, and start creating your own videos today. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more powerful AI strategies. Let's grow together.